You clicked this video because you've heard about Rumble and you want to know how you can use it to make money. A lot of creators are switching over to Rumble because Rumble is paying creators from day one. They do not make you wait to get monetized, and they're paying better than other platforms per view.
That's why he's the GOAT!
I'm going to show you in this video how we can start making money on Rumble. You don't need any money to do this method. You can start for actually completely free. I'm going to show you all the tools you need and actually 2 ways that we can monetize what we're doing. So watch this entire video so you can learn every tip and trick that I'm using to make money on Rumble. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Guys, go to rumble.com and browse around. You will see creators posting all the time. Every day, every couple hours, you see new videos coming on this platform. A lot of people are moving over there. If you're one of the people watching this video that's thinking, I haven't even heard of Rumble, let me just show you something. If you go to SimilarWeb, SimilarWeb is a website that shows you data on all of the websites on the internet. So you can kind of see, how many visitors are they getting, how are they doing. Rumble is getting 110 million visitors a month. So that's a lot of people on that website. Do you think you can get some views out of 110 million people? Absolutely you can. So there's money to be made there, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. So Rumble is going to be the platform that we're going to be posting on in this video, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. But first, we're going to look for another product to promote as well as getting paid for views directly from Rumble, so that I told you we're going to have 2 forms of monetization with this method. We're going to be making money both ways. So we're going to go to a website called ClickBank. You guys know I love this. I talk about it a lot on the channel. ClickBank is a great platform because it's free, it's easy to sign up, and they accept people right from the beginning. They don't have an approval process, so anybody can get going right away. Once you log into your free account, if you don't have one, it takes only a second to sign up for. Go to the marketplace, click this button at the top right here, okay? Then it's going to bring you to where you can see all of the categories of products they have to offer. So I like health and fitness because it's always in demand. There's always people that are looking to be in better shape or lose weight. So if I click that, I'm going to see all of the products that they have to offer. A good trick on ClickBank is to go over here to the sort and hit gravity high to low. This is going to show you the products that are selling the best right now. Okay, so we can focus on those. All right, so maybe I'm going to go into a little sub niche here and hit diets and weight loss, so I can focus specifically on people who are trying to lose weight. And now I see here the best selling product is a smoothie diet 21 day rapid weight loss program. So this is what we're going to go with, guys, and you can see that it's going to pay us $25 per sale. Every single time someone buys this, we get paid 25 bucks. So if we can get 4 people a day to purchase this, imagine from thousands and thousands of views, that can be very possible. So we can make $100 a day easily. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to hit promote, and then you're going to put your account nickname here, and then you're going to hit your tracking, or it's going to give you a tracking ID, or you can put a tracking ID if you want, but you don't have to. Then it creates your hop link. Copy that link and save this in a notepad or something to the side so that we can use it for later, and I'm going to show you how we can make this shorter and everything. So next step, we're going to go look for articles about weight loss smoothie recipes, because this is the product that we're trying to promote. So anybody who's interested in this will be very interested in the product that we're promoting. So go to Google and just search weight loss smoothie recipes, or whatever the product is that you pick. You can pick any product, any niche, guys. This works for anything. And once you see how we do what I'm going to show you in this video, you're going to see that you can do this for any kind of topic. And by the way, guys, my name is DJ. I make videos on making money every single week. So if you like this kind of thing, subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to try these new methods and get started making money online. All right, so we're going to browse through here and kind of look for something. And I found an article right here that was in the search results. This is 10 flat stomach weight loss smoothie recipes. Okay, so this is going to basically give us 10 recipes that people can make if they want to lose weight. So, number 1, smoothie with nectarine and grapefruit. And then it gives the recipe down here, ingredients, instructions. And then number 2, carrot and strawberry smoothie, and so on. And it gives 10 of those. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this to make our video. Again, guys, you do not have to record yourself. You don't have to do anything, no editing. I'm going to show you a software where we can make these videos very quickly, very easily. So we're going to go over to a website called InVideo. All right, INVIDEO.io. Okay, once you make a free account, if you don't have one, you can sign up very quickly, 2 seconds. Make a free account and then click this button in the top left, this little blue guy here, and it's going to bring you right to your dashboard. This is where you want to go because it's very important that you click this button here, which is text to video. We are going to give this software some text, and it's actually going to make us a video for us. Okay, so we're going to hit this button, text to video right here. And now we can look through the templates, and you can really pick anything you want here, guys. I mean, I'm just going to pick something just to show for this example, but you can really choose anything. So say I like this one the way that it looks. Okay, you're going to hit landscape here and then hit use template. All right, so now here's where we'll type our text, and then we're going to go back to our article, and we're going to take the title of the article first, and we're going to put that in. All right, so we'll say it was 10 weight loss smoothies, 10 flat belly. What was the title of this article? Okay, we're going to copy this right here, go back to InVideo, paste that there. Okay, go back here. Go to smoothie number 1. Okay, copy this back to here. paste that. Okay, then we're gonna go down to the ingredients, copy that, go here, we'll type ingredients, paste that. Okay, then we're gonna go to instructions, paste that. Okay, now we have our first smoothie in here. We're gonna show you the second one as well. I'm not gonna do all 10 for this video, guys, because you can do that on your own, but I'm gonna show you the process and how easy it is to make videos and how you can make these in only a couple minutes. Number 2, we're gonna go back over to our article. We're gonna go back down to number 2, and then we're gonna highlight that, paste, back to the article, find the ingredients, paste, and instructions, and then paste. Okay, so now we have all this in here. Now the only thing we need to do at this point, guys, is just hit create scenes. Now the software is going to do what it's going to do. It's going to take all of the words that we have and make images and sounds and everything to go along with it. So it's a nice video. You see generating scenes, almost done. Less than a couple seconds, guys, it made our video, and we really didn't have to do anything but copy and paste in the article. Okay, and just like that, it's done. So we can see here we have our scenes, and just every line that we wrote in that text is going to be a different slide, basically. So you see the first opening page, 10 opening slide of the video, 10 flat stomach weight loss recipe smoothie recipes. Okay, so we can play this. We can either go to storyboard or we can hit the editor. We can go to the editor, and every single one of these is going to be a new picture with the next thing. So here we can see it'll have, you know, smoothie with nectarine and grapefruit, and it's got nectarines in the background. And then we have ingredients, and it shows some ingredients on the board. And then we can go, here's the first one, 1 whole nectarine stone. Okay, then we can do half grapefruit peeled, and then we can do half lemon juice. And now if I play this, guys, let me see if I can turn this volume down. Okay, if I play this, guys, you can see that it just plays, and it has nice visual edits with the pictures in the background and the words that we have in the script. So I want to show you too that we can change something. So if we see this doesn't really make any sense for instructions, okay, because the software is not perfect. It'll do it pretty good, and we might have to make 1 or 2 changes. We can click this image right here. We can change it by going over here to images. We can search for something, and we can put instructions and see all the options that it gives us. So we can look around and maybe find something that's better. And, you know, if we can, maybe we can find like a recipe. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll type recipe and see if something comes up that looks better. Okay, so maybe something like this will be better. Okay, like a little recipe book, perhaps. All right, so we can delete this one. Then we could drag this one bigger. All right, I think that looks better because you can see that there's like a recipe in the background. You know, now it says instructions. That can be a little better. You can choose one that doesn't have this on it because there is free options, but you get the point, guys. So you can just play around with the images and just search until you find something that you want. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to go up here and we're going to download. You can download the video when it's done, when you have everything in order, and then it looks good. And now we can upload it to Rumble. So what we're going to go to is back to Rumble. We're going to hit this little upload button, and we're going to upload video. And then here you're going to click this, and you're going to post your or you're going to click your uploaded video, the one that you just made, your downloaded video, upload it here, and then we're going to start putting in the information. Now you can type this out yourself, guys. That's completely up to you. If you do like a free tool that helps you with this so you can rank better on all social media platforms, really, there is a website, or there is a tool that I've used. It's called Video Marketing Blaster. I will leave a link in the description below. This completely writes your description and tags for you. Optional, you don't have to do it, but if you want to go on this website and then just kind of see the videos they have, it shows you kind of how it works. It's really kind of a cool tool. But I'll leave it in there if you want to use it as well. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, so then go over here. We're going to type in all of our things, like we would put like 10 weight loss smoothie recipes. Okay, then we're going to type the whole thing, like if you've ever struggled losing weight, these are some great recipes to try and are delicious. Okay, so, you know, obviously you'd make it longer than that, but write it out. Okay, then for thumbnails, you never want to use the auto-generated thumbnails. Go to a website called Pexels.com, type smoothie, okay, and then we're going to find some free images that we can use. I mean, this looks nice, this looks nice. Okay, we're going to download this image, and then we're going to upload it. I'll show you. So we're going to download this image here, free download, and we're going to go back here, and we're going to go choose your own, downloads, Pexels image. Okay, boom. That's our thumbnail right there, the smoothie. That's what people are going to see to click on. Okay, so then you put the tags in here too. So you do weight loss, you do smoothies, lose fat, workout, recipes, things like that. Okay, put in your tags. Obviously, always leave it to public. All right, and then we're going to upload our video, and then we're going to start making money. And it's going to give you options on choose how to monetize. You just pick Rumble only, and now you have a video that you can start making money on Rumble. But like I said, we're going to be making money 2 ways. We're going to make money from Rumble views, and we're also going to be making money because we're going to be selling that product, the smoothie diet. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that link that we have. We're going to go to a website called Bitly, hit create new, hit link, and then we're going to post our link here, and it's going to shorten it for us. All All right, so what we can do is we can take that link, all right, promote, copy, go to bit.ly, paste. Okay, now we have this link here that we can post in our video. All right, we're gonna go back over here to description and then say for tips on smoothie recipes, click here. And then we'll put a link. You could write something else better, guys, but you get the point. So then we're going to add our link here. So now anybody who sees our video and sees these good recipes, they're going to read the description, possibly see our link and click it. So if the goal is to get thousands of views, a couple hundred clicks, and then we're going to convert some of those people into purchasing this product where we get paid $25 per sale. And then, like I said, even along the way, we're still going to be getting paid for views. So that's it, guys. And you can really just make videos over and over and over with different articles, and then you can do different niches as well. You can go into ClickBank and you can look around and find different offers you want to do. Maybe you want to do something in, marketing. You want to do something in, whatever, guys. Just look around. Cooking. So there's a lot of products out there to promote. You can make free videos with this video editor. It's very easy. You can do this in a couple minutes. You can easily make 5 to 10 of these a day and really get started making money online. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think. Leave any questions, concerns, video ideas for next time. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.